At the man himself, Carter Beauford from Dave Matthews Band, Shake Me Like a Monkey. This is his drum cam. I am so hyped to see this because this man is insane. But you know it's serious when you gloves. Hey, Carter's pocket is unshakable. I'll tell you that much. I'll tell you that much. That's muscle memory and got a specific kid. He don't have to look. Ooh. I'm learning. He has a open-handed drumming technique. Like he plays the hi-hats with his left while his right hand is a snare. I believe so. Bro, those polyrhythm and ghost notes on the snare is crazy. Yes or no, you have to choose Romeo and Juliet, the hangman and the Sphinx. You and me would go good together. Those jazz fills are crazy. I ain't waiting for the world to change. They're gonna change the world for you. Come on, pretty baby, make me lose my mind. Van Firth, A Perfect Pair. They did Danny Carey's video. Makes sense. Makes sense why this is so epic. It makes sense why this is so epic. Bro, this man is crazy. I love his like jazzy inspired feels he has. It just feels loose. Loose and free, but perfectly timed. Change the world for you. Come on, pretty baby. And since I don't know the original songs, I don't know which one is improvisation or not. Make me lose my mind. That's even more dope. Nah, bro. Nah, that's insane. That's insane. This man's just smiling, blowing gum, grooving like it's second nature. This man is making technical mastery just look effortless. Yeah, he got the hi-hat with his left hand. He's hitting the snare with his right. And as I was doing my, my research, got to be a better reactor on these streets. That's a open-handed drumming technique because of the so I'm sure you know because you do you play drums, but with that ambidextrous style, that's to me a person who dreamt of being a drummer. That is a legendary style. Because I grew up with watching most drummers, they cross their arms on the hi-hat, but he plays open-handed and it just, to me, it unlocks a completely different rhythmic feel. Man, he just made me just bring up my dream like, man, I wanted to be a drummer. And then I wanted to be everything else. But he's not only a drummer, he's a musician because he adds backing vocals, everything. But you know it's getting serious when he get that mic out his face. See, he's singing and watch him knock that bitch out the way. Look at that. He's like, I'm done. For those polyrhythms. Oh, my bad. I thought Vic Firth was the camera people. Vic Firth is the drumsticks. Got you. Must be some good ass drumsticks. Look, even Dave had to go over there. He fucking killed it. Ooh, that man went in. He went in.